Good morning, guys. Let's wait for more people to join. Let me try something. Let's see whether I should make the camera. No, it's not good. No sound. Is there a problem with the sound? I don't think there is a problem. Tell me, is everything okay with the sound? Okay. Okay, guys. We're about to start. Now, I will wait for... I want to show you something, as I said yesterday, but I will wait for more people. I want more than 100 people to be in the live, and I will share you something that might be really interesting to you, and that will help you, and eventually when we start the challenge from $20 to $1,000, I will show you now probably what strategy exactly we will look for, because I think that what am I about to show you would be very interesting. Let me erase this. Yeah. Okay. This morning starts with a huge impulse. Now, I really want to see a breakout on some of the previous tops, like I wanted to see yesterday, but it didn't happen. And from there, eventually to search for some sell right at this moment. And of course, to not make mistakes like yesterday. Now, let's start from the higher time frames again to see what we can expect. As you can see, the price is still in this head and shoulders pattern. Of course, this is daily time frame. The weekly candles are forming bullish. Daily candle, it is consolidating, it's forming something, let's say like that. Just eventually my awful. This is not recommended. If your chart looks like that, it's not good. I told you I keep it like that because I'm showing stuff. It's easier for me to show, but it's forming something like a triangle. I mean, it's consolidating, and probably when it break on some side, it will make some huge movements. But as I told you, I don't believe that this head and shoulders pattern will affect the price, because just because in this economic situation I don't believe that the gold will fall rapidly. Of course, everything is possible, but I don't believe it. First, let me check something else. I think that today we had we had much news. Initial jobless claims, non-farm environment, S&P Global. I'm focused on the three-star news, and there are many of them. Oh, FOMC meeting minutes. It will be hell breakout in the evening, so in the afternoon also, guys, we have to be very careful, because there will be much manipulations. On 4-hour, there are both two zones here, one in the bottom, one on the top, but this is too far away. Probably for the news, the price will react to these areas. Now we are going to be focused on smaller charts. First thing that I see here is that there is some trend line. Okay, so there is a probability that we don't see this breakout happen. Yeah, guys, I think it's forming well for sell. 35 pips, 75 pips. Yeah. Guys, let's sell this. 2326. Okay. Okay. Now, the idea is why I rush to sell it. Because I hope it don't return to grab the liquidity first, but my idea is that now it's getting a rejection from the trend line, and it will probably return to break the Asian low. I wanted to see a breakout first on the top, but you can see this trend line looks very well for now. So that's why I decided to enter now. Yeah, also there is some change in character here, so the price may do something like that, but eventually I want to see a breakout on this Asian low. I will tell you why in a minute, and I will show you something that I started the live with. Okay, there are 101 people in the live session. Guys, this I want to share with you. I told you, I think it was yesterday or the day before, I'm thinking to make a challenge from $20 to $1,000. I don't know if we could manage to do it, but we can give it a try. We will look for 20 to 30 pips in a trade. And I want to show you when we are going to search for these trades. Okay, let's make something like a like a master class right now. Do you want? Let me show you something. Okay. Let's start. So the idea is that we are going to wait for a good confirmations if we want to make the challenge, because there is very risky and every trade could bring us to a drawdown. So that is why we have to have a good confirmations. Let me give you an example. Let's say from here. This is the Asia in my time zone. This is the Asia low, and after that this is the Asian high. The price is running, and here the London opens. It breaks the bottom from the Asia, creating a very good order book right here. And you can see the moment it breaks the Asian high, the price gets rejected and made a huge fall. This will be our entry in the trade. It makes it almost every single day. Let me show you guys. Okay. Asian low. London opens. It didn't reach, in this case, it didn't breaks the bottom, but makes a huge rise. So I told you then that probably not every day would be our trading day. Let me check something. This starts to get a rejection, of course, but let's see. As we told, there is a zone here, because the price breaks the high and after that collects the lows, so we'll see what is going to happen. For now I'm not going to make another entries. I'm going to stick with this one. But let me return. Let's look back. I don't know where. We are going to pick random spots. It's the best is when the price is in some consolidation, as here you can see. Okay, Asian low 4:40 a.m. Asian high 3 a.m. The price breaks the Asian high, immediately starts to return. Not immediately, in this case it's slow returning, but returns, breaks the top from the Asia session, and look what aggressive rejection. This will be our entry in a trade. We are going to wait for these things, and if it doesn't happen, because if there are strong impulse like today, it might not happen the way we want, so we will probably miss the trade in this case. Okay, here, but this is probably most like order block. Asian low 4 a.m. 4:50 a.m. the price London opens, breaks the bottom, you can see how many rejections, and the price made 40-50 pips. It's not much, but it's absolutely enough for our target. Let's go back here. London bottom. It's not necessary to be the bottom, but in this case, it's happened like this. London bottom, excuse me, Asian bottom. The price just breaks the liquidity, and after that goes for the top. You can see it breaks the top, starts to return. So we want to see a breakout and some rejection, and we are going to enter when the volumes kick in and collect 20-30 pips and get out, because we are not greedy. We want to catch these 20-30 pips and get out from the trade. Okay, here it's not a good example. Probably there is some zone that the price return, but we are probably going to miss an entry here. This is a very good example. I made a video about it. Asian high, Asian low. The price collects the high, huge fall, breaks the bottom, returns again. So you can see 60 pips, absolutely enough. We are going to be out in the middle of the movement. Because if we search for many strategies, probably we will fail. If we want to make this happen from $20 to $1,000, we need 10 trades with 50% risk in every trade, 30 pips stop loss, 30 pips profit. Let me show you. I know it sounds there was a 20 pip challenge, but I made it with 30 pips because in this case we have 30 pips option for the price to not immediately goes in our favor. So 30 pips risk. It's in Bulgarian, but I probably will change it. So we are risking 30 pips, 30 pips profit, 30 pips risk, 30 pips profit, 10 trades. I don't think we could go further, we'll see, but I think that here the psychology will fail us. When Asian is starting and when it's over. There is a time, let me show you. Trading sessions times, let's say. Yeah, probably this. So this should be in our time zone. Okay. Asian session started about let me check. I don't think this is okay. I can't find it probably, but the Asian session starts at midnight and it's until 7 a.m. I think. After that kicks in the London session. After that London session is from 9 or 10, but I started to look it from 9 a.m. because there is also a pre-London session. That is where the liquidity is grabbed and stuff like that. Okay, now it started to go in our favor. London after that kicks in European session, and New York is at 3 p.m. You see that GXY and gold is going like in one direction. Yeah, I told you, I hope that the price don't grab the tops before doing some movement, but I think it will get a rejection because this trend line is very good. And of course it might not make the movement we want, but I think that it will probably reach the trend line, this trend line. Let me erase this. And then to see some other movements, but let's see the 9 a.m. candle when the London kicks in. So I think that it will collect the bottom, as I told you, from the Asian session, the Asian low, and after that even it could make a breakout on these previous tops. We'll see. But guys, I saw that there is some pattern that the price follows probably every day. Not every day, but when it happens, as I show you, this was, I don't know whether you get it right, but I think this is super important that I show you, because this is not happening every day, but when it happens, this is a super good opportunity. Okay, again, Asian low, creating an order block in this case, good order block, huge fall, breaking all the bottoms, rise, the price return, get a good rejection, 1, 2, 3, third time. So even if we are not sure, the third time is a good rejection for an entry, and you can see. So even if we just focus on this, I think that again, Asian low. I told you it's not necessary to be the low, but in the cases that we are looking, it happens like that. The price breaks it. In this case, the price is moving sideways. Initially, there was a good rejection to candles, but after that, still, if we enter 36 pips, absolutely enough for us. We can even exit here. So I will make some back tests, I will make some tests, and probably we can begin to see what we will do with this 20 pip challenge. 30 pip, excuse me, 30 pip. Today is a good day here in Bulgaria because yesterday we had a very strong rain, and today is not so so hot like yesterday. Even it is raining in the moment. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also guys, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, because I'm trying my best to grow my social networks, but it's really hard. It's really hard. It's a really slow and long, slow process. Okay, we're 10 pips on profit. I saw this. I could probably, but I was thinking that first it will grab the top. We could have entered a little bit early, but nothing. We could have entered 10 pips earlier, but it is how it is. Okay, you can see there are volumes here, so probably let's see what is going to happen. I don't know. Ooh, a reply video will just hit take profit. I don't know, man. If I knew it, I would probably enter with my last money that I had. So the idea again is that I think that when the London session kick in, it will go to break to grab the Asian low, and after that to make a new rise of the price. I just hope that it didn't first grabs these previous tops and then to make a fall, but it is how it is. We are already in a trade, so that's why I make the stop loss above here. Let's be patient, guys. DXY is going good for now, if they are in opposite correlation, because as I am seeing, it's not necessary. No one. Still, I'm not still pick the winners. Now, some rejection. My chair is making sounds. Woohoo! Sometimes I'm thinking, why this just don't fall and let us collect profits. That's okay. This chair needs VG40. Fall under our entry. It's gonna freaking me out. Let me put my stop loss, because I most of the times forget when I am live to adjust the profit and stop loss. Where were the profits? 26. Okay. You're lucky who living in developed environment, who not puppets, no corruption. Oh, you're not, you don't know what you're talking about. Probably Bulgaria is one of the most corrupted countries. Don't make this kind of rejections now. You love drinking water. The truth is that yesterday I drink something else that needs water now. When we will have okay, yeah, the beginner circle will be today. I will announce it, probably it will be at 3 hours from now or 4 hours from now, because on the poll most of the people said that it's better for them to make it now in these hours of the day. So yeah, we will probably make it in 3 hours from now. After the live I will announce it in the group, so there is still time if someone wants to join. So still slow market. Now DXY made some rejection here. Better than Pakistan military sent Imran Khan in jail, who give us freedom, but again military. I've never been to India, Pakistan, and countries there. Okay, now the market is slow. Probably because there are many news later today, and okay, until something happened, of course I hope something good for us happen. Let me show you again. Let's go back to see the strategy that probably we will use if you want to join me, of course. In the challenge to make $1,000 from just $20, which is absolutely, I don't know, it will be a huge frustration for me, because this is very hard, guys. $20 for trading car, nothing, absolutely nothing. when you will announce the winners. I will, okay? After a while, I will give some minutes more and I will pick the winners. Don't worry. Okay, another example. Here's some, I drew some triangle. But again, the Asian session starts the bottom. Okay, this is not so good example because there is no breakout here. But I remember I think we managed to catch this movement here. Not the whole of it, of course, but some of it. So as I told you, this challenge will be not easy at all. Okay, the price, I saw that the gold starts to get a rejection. Damn. Not good. Okay, this week Monday was very good, yesterday was bad, the live session I mean. Today it's not going well for now because the price is pumping strongly. Okay, let's give it some time to see whether it will get a rejection here. This like an order block, but or what will be the lot size I showed you here. We will start with 003, 005, 007 because we are risking 30 we are risking about 50% of the account in every trade. So this is the volumes that we're going to eventually use. Okay, I told you it created an order book here, so probably this was the rejection from it. I told you I'm not going to enter second trade just because I don't like this many entries. Now we want the price to close like that and eventually to see a breakout on the bottom. This will be a good indicator. Also my favorite trend lines, breakout eventually on the trend line and the price to make the movement that we wanted, to see a breakout on the Asian low, or if the price didn't reach it, because here is also like an order block, have it in mind guys. Also this candle here is the volume, so we will probably collect some profits and move the stop loss here. This is around, not much, but it is how it is. 40 pips, okay. I mean on 40 pips we will probably collect some profit because The price may just go to the order block, to the volumes here, to make a retracement from the trend line and to go to collect the highs. We will see. If the price gets a rejection here, we might exit and enter a buy. No, guys, I think the challenge will be free, and the idea is to gain popularity, or I don't have the word now in my mouth, but legitimation probably, or to show that I'm legit, not someone who is offering courses or something, or paid group, just stuff like that. I want to show that I know what I'm talking about. Come on, make a breakout. Guys, on 1 minute, my entry is like a rejection point here. Not good selling pressure for now, that's truth. But still, the market is very slow. This is less than 10 pips. Exposure in the social community as genuine trader. Yeah. As I told you guys, you have to know that if you're watching the live sessions, you will understand that trading is not so easy most of the times. Also, these morning sessions sometimes are very frustrating for me, because I know that everyone is expecting me to enter a trade. Sometimes I don't like how things are going, like today. This rejection is not good at all. And that's why I was talking about that if we start this 30 pips challenge, we are probably not going to enter trades every day. Just when everything is perfectly aligned, it looks good and stuff like that, because as today I entered here on this rejection from the trend line, but if I have to be honest, the best entries are when the price breaks some liquidity zones like this top or this bottom. After that, to search, to wait for a rejection and to enter again. Now you can see it's still not sure, probably. But if the price breaks the trend line, it will be not good at all. I have to tell you that this will be very stupid. Excuse me for the word, but this is the truth. Because it gets a rejection, it make an entry with confirmation, order book here, the price rejects from the order book, and now it's continuing to go up, guys. This is absolutely let's wait, because I hope it forms like yesterday. Like yesterday it tricked me so bad here that I entered sell, the price returns, I exit the sell, enter buy, and after that the price collides. You can see the Asian top right here. After that, in the New York session, the price breaks it, rejection, and falls again. Damn, it's pushing up. It's pushing up. GXY is not doing much. Probably. No selling pressure, guys. No selling pressure. We're going to wait, but I will announce the winners, guys. Let's wait to see a breakout here so I can take a breath. Let's hope to see a breakout, because for now there are no good volumes, no good selling pressure. I hope that this will not trick us. I draw also one minute trend line here. I hope Also to see a breakout. All these hopes and nothing happening. Ah, is my camera working, guys? Ah, yeah, okay. It is. Come on, give us some volumes. Don't trick me again. Worries me a little bit that there is no selling pressure. But we will wait until the price breaks the tops. But to reach the swing area and get a rejection. It's not going good, guys. Not going good. Fucker. Yeah, and now it's not going good at all. Yeah, the price is pushing up, so probably the idea is to break the tops first. It's going to break. made a good rejection, but probably they pushed the goat up. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, guys, I think that is good time. Okay, DXY is also pushing up. I don't know whether we should wait for something. Okay, guys, I think we should wait a little bit because it starts to get some rejection again. Let's wait to see at least this 5-minute candle to close. Okay, guys, what to tell you, because I'm seeing someone is saying losing trades and stuff like that. It is 18 pips in my account, 19 pips on loss. If you want, you can close it now. Now it's 17 pips on loss. What to tell you? I think it formed good, but now it starts to get a rejection. DXY was pumping up. I still think it's early to close the trade because you can see on 15 minutes for now. Let's see how it will close, but there is some rejection. Of course, I hope it closes like that. But what to tell you? Uh, what will I understand from the 1 hour time frame? Okay, the market is low for now. So if I have to be honest, I don't like how it is going for now. But I'm still willing to wait a little bit because it gets some kind of rejection still, but this will probably will try to continue going up. So there are many tops here, which are some kind of liquidities, but I still of course, wish to see it break this bottom before making some huge movement to the upper side. But that might not be the case, of course. Trading is not frustrating at all, guys. It's standing on the beach and no. Absolutely no selling pressure for now. No selling pressure. I hate when things are forming like that. So guys, what to tell you? It made a good rejection, but now it seems like it is going to break the trend line. It's funny, guys, because I'm silent and 100 people are in the live session watching me how I'm not speaking. I'm just hoping. I'm in my head. I'm okay. Fall. Uh, yeah, it started to get a rejection, but it's still not really good. Uh, until we see a breakout here, until we see eventually breakout on this bottom, I'm not motivated or full of excitement. I don't know how to tell it. Whoops. But if it closes like that on 1 hour, it will be very, very good. Of course, there is plenty of time more. Definitely, it looks like they are trying to push the gold up. Okay, let's see some falling. Let's see some falling now. Yeah. You can see DXY. When DXY starts to get a rejection, gold pump up, so probably. Oh, this will play with our nerves. So morning again starts to pump up. Yeah, it's still, it looks like they are pushing the gold up, of course. Yeah. And now it's not looking good at all. Yeah. I really hope that we will see a rejection, but it breaks the high. We can probably wait for some retracement here and to exit the trade. But it's pumping really hard. Stupid morning session again. Sorry for the language, guys. I just... Branimir, okay, man, what should I do? You see that I'm analyzing live. You decide for yourself if you want to enter the trade. What should I do? You'd get a good rejection. You're telling it like I don't care or something like that. Also, second day, yesterday in the New York session, we catch 50 pips. I just hope to see some retracement to test the trend line at least, so we can exit on, let's say, 20 pips. But it might not happen. Okay, stop loss hit. Guys, what to say? Of course, now probably we'll get some rejection here. No man, it's not your fault. It's no one's fault. This is market. You can't be always right, or of course you entered two trades that are losing, but you didn't enter the other ones that were profitable. So there are situations like that. Don't get desperate or something. Losing is part of trading. You saw that we had a good setup, good rejection, but they were pumping the price up. Yeah, I will make, let me check something. I will make the giveaway now. Not very good moment probably, but just a second. Of course. Why not? Let me write it in the group. And I will make the giveaway winners just a second. I will show it. Guys, Okay. Let me erase this. It's $15 broke from Monday morning. No, this will probably collect all the tops here, and if we see a rejection there, we are going to enter some sell. Price hit the stop loss and come back. This is the best love story than any other film. It didn't come back. Don't worry, man. Okay. Let me see this stuff right here. Okay. Get more clients with Kelly. Let me erase this. Okay. Okay, guys, this is the first winner, and the other one. Okay. Let me also make it like that. So guys, these are the winners from the giveaway. I will contact them shortly. Again, not the best live session, but now I will wait for the price to break the tops, and if we see some rejection, I might enter a recovery trade. Of course, why not? Why not? So guys, wait for another setup and we'll fix this trade. And congratulations to the winners from the giveaway, and we will continue later today. I will now prepare for my beginner circle. No, for the giveaway I choose to have at least 2 mentions in the comments. So I will make these giveaways more often, so guys, just okay, the price is pushing. Okay guys, we will continue later. I will write if there is an option for a recovery trade. For now the price is pushing hard. I didn't expect that. No, when I was in this giveaway picker free site, there was a criteria to have at least 2 mentions from the comments. As you can see that the people that were chosen had mentions to their friends in the comments, so don't worry guys. Okay, as I told you, I will write if there is anything. Now when the price breaks all these tops, if we see a rejection, we might enter a sell so we can recover the loss. I will write it down, guys. Stay tuned and see you later, and see you in the beginner circle with those that are going to participate.